Class, one thing I've noticed about most of your reference lists is that very few of you understand how to make a hanging indent. I know this because I am in a reference page here, and this is fairly common, and I see a page enter here at the end. A return, it may say on your keyboard, which shouldn't be there if you use a hanging indent. Now, this person has used a different margin in order to get this line over here. So they've pulled the full margin over, or the tab over, left indent over, to get that where they want it. And then when we go to the next one here, the hanging indent, they've done this way, so it's over, but again they have to put in a return there. This is making everything tedious. Some other people will use a tab, so they have the margin here and then they tab over for each line separately. Get rid of all of that entirely. Let me show you how we do this. First, I'm going to get rid of that return that doesn't belong there. Okay, so now we are fully flush left here, which is incorrect. But I'm going to highlight this. Of course, you can highlight the entire reference page and it'll do everything for you automatically. And I grab the lower triangle and I pull it over to the ½ mark. Done. That's all you have to do. That's a hanging indent. So when I click on it, I can see that, oh, this margin is here and the left margin is there. So the first line is at your left margin, but everything else in this reference is over there. So we could do that for all of these. Okay, I'm going to grab that, put it there. There, it's done. But something may not be right because we have these extras in here. Extra enters, so I'm going to take them out. See that line, taking that return, move that word up where it belongs. So rather than having to eyeball this and hope that you're getting it right, you use a hanging indent. The other major thing you want to do is to use a page break whenever you have a new section that you know must start at the beginning of a page. Most of you are doing this, but if not, what you would do is you'd put your cursor in front of the word that you want at the very top of the page. You go to your insert menu. You come down here for break, and it's page break. And now this entire thing has been thrust down to the top of the next page. This avoids having to hit the return key several times to get it onto the next page. It's only section headings and reference lists that need to have that done. So I'm going to undo that and go back. But just a couple of tips to make your life easier. I hope that helps.